Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Device Manager so you can see the hardware list and identify the Wi-Fi adapter. Press Windows key plus X and select Device Manager. This is faster than searching. Once done, expand Network Adapters and find entries with names like Intel, Realtek, Qualcomm, or Broadcom. Make sure you note exactly which adapter appears. This name is what you will search for when downloading drivers. If an adapter is missing or has a yellow icon, that signals further steps ahead. Now inspect the adapter details to determine whether you need an update or reinstall. Right-click the Wi-Fi adapter, choose Properties, and switch to the Driver tab. Record the version, date, and provider so you can match drivers exactly. If you have internet access, try Update Driver, then search automatically for updated driver software to let Windows fetch a compatible package. If that fails, choose Browse My Computer for driver software and point to a downloaded driver you obtained from the menu. Finish by installing the correct driver and verifying connectivity. Download the official driver that matches your adapter model and Windows 1032 or 64-bit architecture, then run the installer or use Update Driver. Browse to the extracted folder. If the update won't apply, uninstall the device from Device Manager and restart to let Windows reinstall a basic driver. Then install the downloaded package. If Wi-Fi still fails, run Windows Network Troubleshooter and consider reinstalling and safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.